today's video, we're going to learn how to do things with one hand. And if you're wondering how I broke my arm, I was at the skate park. That doesn't stop me from doing things with one hand. Oh yeah! The first thing we can do with one arm is play with a mini skateboard or a fingerboard. Now let's see Mimi in action. Mimi's gonna try to go down the big ramp. Mimi's gonna try a kickflip. Close one, Mimi. Let's try again. Good one, Mimi.
Yay! I did it! I did it!
Right.
I am a skater!
The second thing you can do with one hand is cracking an egg with one hand. Let's do this thing.
Let's get cracking!
That's how to do it.
Yeah, the crack egg is so cool! We can do the cakes and pancakes and waffles now!
The third thing is opening a water bottle, so let's get opening.
I think you squeezed the bottle and now you are all wet.
Yeah. Sorry about last time. Let's try this again.
Oh my god! I'm so happy I wasn't there when it was squeezed and was like a fountain. Because I would be all wet. And I don't like to be wet. I'm a kitty. Yay! We can do it! We can do it!
The fourth thing is opening ice cream. To open ice cream, we have to use our teeth a little. So you put it on it, you hold it, and you can just peel it off. And we can keep going. And now we have the ice cream.
I want the ice cream. Yum yum, lick it, lick it, lick it. I want to also unwrap my own ice cream. Haha, I have it, I have it. It's my ice cream now. Yum yum yum. That is super yummy. Yummy yummy.
The fifth thing is putting on a t-shirt. So let's start. First, we have to unwrap everything. Now we can actually take this t-shirt off.
Oh my god. Shall I help you? Can you do it by yourself, really?
I can do it.
Wow. That looked like it was super easy to do.
We put it upside down and we put it through the left one.
Through the left sleeve, right? I want to see closer.
We have to put this back.
Oh, the little holder.
First we have to put this in. Then we have to take this around to bend down a little bit. Let's take this one on. Now this one. And then you're done.
Yay! You have your new t-shirt on because the other one was wet. Wet from the water splash. Now it's my turn. I want to go also through the t-shirt.
The sixth thing is wrapping a ball. Let's see how many I can do in 10 seconds.
Ready, steady, go! 7, 8, 9, 10.
25!
Yeah, our new record! Yeah! Now it's my turn! I won 28!
No! How'd you beat me?
Because I'm the best!
The seventh thing is putting on a seatbelt. So first you just take it, and you can stretch this as far as you can. Then you put it up, and then you stretch more. Up, and then you stretch more. And then you hold the top, and then you come back slowly so you can put it in. And then you're done. And if it's up here on your arm, then you can just put it down. And then to take it off, it's really easy. You just press it, and it's the same.
Yay! I want it too! I want it too! Yay! 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 Oh! Yay, I'm looking in the mirror at myself.
The eighth thing to do with one arm is tying a shoe. Oh yeah. You have to do a loop here. And then you have to go under, around, twice. And then you have to go under the loop that was with the two things around. And then you can move it like this. To pull it like this. And then you're done.
Now it's my turn. I'll show him that I can do it too.
That was the ninth one, playing the piano. The last thing to do with one hand is use a wand and build a beautiful mega Mimi tower. Ta-da! If you like this video, please like and subscribe.